I got my new magic band, so let's go in. It works! Here we go! Isn't it cool? Oh, we have got joffreys as well, look! So it's that time again. Time for another room tour. So let's go and have a look at our room. So slightly different layout because this is a value resort as opposed to a deluxe. So it's like a motel style. As you come in, you've got fridge down here and some little bits of coffee and the joffreys that me and Ali already showed you. One thing I like about these rooms is that they've been refurbished recently. So rather than having two big beds, they have this thing called a Murphy bed, which like pulls down. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I like having the kind of table space. We've got lovely big TV and some drawers. Our bed with nice Mickey artwork behind it. Sounded a bit Bristolian then. Bathroom. Lovely big mirror. It's all like super duper new and looks really clean. And then, oh, this is really lovely. So again, it's got a bath with like an overhead shower, which is great because I have actually bought some bath bombs with me. And here is the H2O toiletries. There's some hangers and stuff here so we can hang things up. Oh, hairdryer in there, that's handy. And an iron. Perfect. So I think now I might just leave the camera in the room and we're gonna go get our refillable mugs. Hello guys, we're in the room. I have my tripod. I've changed outfits. We've unpacked a little bit. Alice is on the bed. We won't talk about the ear and bag situation because I've already been told off for that. But yeah, we're gonna go out.
Why do you need 15 pairs of ears?
Can you stop it?
15!
It's a 2-week holiday, okay? I'm sure other people would agree that they would take lots of ears. So yeah, originally tonight we were gonna head to Magic Kingdom, but the wait times are all kind of high, and also I kind of just want to do something convenient. So we're at Pop Century, we've got the Skyliner. So, can you tell where I'm gonna go? Thanks Amy for the t-shirt. Epcot, baby, let's go to Food and Wine. Are you ready? More enthusiasm?
Yeah.
Better. We're on the Skyliner for the first time. Woohoo! Look at that view.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
That's where we're
We are
staying over
on
there
our
in the
way
purple
to
building.
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios
Oh, it's
and
nice.
Epcot
It's a
International
nice
Gateway.
little breeze there. There goes the Skyliner. How did you find that, Ali? First time?
That was really good. It was smooth.
We made a friend, didn't we?
Yes. From Pittsburgh.
He was.
It's very nice.
He was. He was giving us tips about what to do and to go to the boardwalk, wasn't he? So we've arrived in Epcot. We're already in the Japan Pavilion. And Sparky and Amy, this one's for you. Want to tell them where we're going?
Going to the Japanese store.
Of course we are. So last time, the first night we spent with Amy and Sparky, we came into this shop and we were in here for ages, so I'm sure we'll find some goodies today. So I've already managed to lose boyfriend to the Japanese goodies. So we finally found something that we fancied. Alistair's just taking a picture of it now. We are trying paella from the Spanish booth. You can't go wrong with good old European food. So once Alistair's done, we'll do a quick taste test and I'll let you know the verdict. You gonna have a taste?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get one of these bad boy pieces of chorizo.
Nice.
That's good.
So, verdict on paella. I would give it, I think, 6.5 to 7 out of 10. What do you reckon, Alistair?
Shrimps. Give it 8. But the rice and the chorizo was a little bit dry, so probably altogether is 6.
Yeah, it was good. I would still get it again.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, and enjoying first bite.
That's some good shit.
So, the noodle thing from Germany, rating, I think 7.5 because it was really yummy. Alistair's currently got it hanging out his mouth. So, I'll update you on his verdict in a minute. What do you reckon? Better than the paella?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, good. We're getting somewhere here. So next, we were going to go straight to the Alps, but we got distracted by the cheese. But whilst on the topic of cheese, I've just picked up the Epcot passport and we're going to try and do this last page, which I'll try and show you if I can without making a meal of it. A meal? I made a pun! So it's called Emile's Fromage Montage. So if you try some of these cheesy dishes, you get a free cheesecake at the end. So anyone who knows me knows that I love cheese, and as does Alistair. So it's perfect for us. Alistair's just waiting for our raclette cheese. There he is. And I'm trying to scope out somewhere to sit. But it is very busy in Epcot this evening, but it is a Saturday night, so it makes a lot of sense. True Molly from Mammoth Club style, we are eating off a Disney bin.
Oh, so good.
And we've got ducks near us. So we have got raclette cheese from the Alps, and Alistair's going to try it for us. It doesn't look the easiest to eat.
That's cheese, alright.
So verdict's in on the raclette cheese. I actually think this is the worst thing we've eaten so far. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'd say it still probably gets 5.5 out of 10. But there wasn't much cheese. And it already started to kind of solidify. So yeah, eat that one fast. Right, where to next? Mexico?
Mexico.
Or straight to Hawaii? What do we think?
I don't mind.
Let's see what we can find. You got this, boyfriend. So is it like those pork crisps that you buy in the UK then, those brined?
This is like softer.
Do you think I would like it?
Try it.
I hope you are loving these food reviews. So, Alistair's got his pork rinds from Saucy Swanky Swine. I just like saying it. I really didn't think I would like it because what are those porky crisps things called in the UK? Oh yeah, so I don't normally like pork scratchings, but these pork rind things are actually quite nice. And it's got this pimento dip, which is so delicious. So that was our third stamp on the cheese trail thing that we've started. So we've only eaten 4 things and 3 of them had cheese in. Yeah. So much cheese. well, plan of action is Hawaii next for the Kahlua pork slider, yeah? And then maybe get the cheesecake there, and then I think I might have eaten enough. So we might have to finish the cheese trail another day, because it's a lot. Look who it is!
That's not how you set them off. You gotta buy the $50 magic band.
Oh, unusually for us, we've decided to have alcohol. So I've got this Kahlua Sunrise, which has got Dole Whip in it, which I'm very excited for. And we're both going to try the Kahlua pork sliders. And Alistair's got a little beer.
Oh, that's good. That is really good.
We're looking for the donut, man.
Cheers.
I think the donuts are selling.
Oh my god, that's so delicious. You have to try it. So, just to give a verdict before we put the camera away, what did you think of our food from Hawaii?
That was the best food so far.
Yeah, definitely. I gave my slider 9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 out of 10.
And my drink is absolutely delicious as well.
My small beer, well, my small
Oh, it's so
IPA
yummy.
is very
So
fruity.
yummy. Oh, you like it, do you?